Greetings to all the farmers and friends involved in farming business all over the globe. Our mission is to grow enough food using zero chemicals and encourage rural youth for 100% employment on their own land. My name is Tejaram Chaudhary and we are discussing all the agriculture methods adopted by farmers all over the world. Our ultimate aim is to arrive at best agriculture method wherein our agriculture will be simple, cheapest and natural and will benefit the entire humanity, entire living being and entire atmosphere on Mother Earth. To know more about all the agriculture methods, we are discussing briefly about each one and today we are taking up the next method, that is intensive farming. Intensive farming means have you ever wondered how farmers produce huge amounts of crop from small pieces of land? That method is called intensive farming. Meaning of intensive farming more clearly is it is also known as intensive agriculture. Is This is a system designed to maximize crop production from a given land of area or the area of land. It uses high inputs, advanced technology, and skilled labor to achieve the highest possible yield. Let us understand key characteristics. High inputs. In this, intensive farming relies heavily on fertilizer, pesticides, herbicides, and irrigation. These inputs increases soil productivity and boost crops growth. Part 2, mechanization. Modern machinery like tractor, harvesters and irrigation system along with technologies such as precision farming, improved seeds help increase efficiency and reduce manual labor. Part 3 is monoculture. Often farmers grow a single crop over large areas. This specialization improves production, but it can also reduce soil nutrient and increase pest risk. Point 4 is high productivity. The main goal is simple: produce maximum output from minimum land because because of advanced inputs and technology, yield are usually much higher than traditional methods. Point 5 is water use. In intensive farming uses large amount of water, often through drip irrigation or sprinkler system to maintain steady crop growth. Point 6 is capital and labor intensive. This method is this method requires strong financial investment. Farmers must spend on machinery, seeds, fertilizer and skilled workers. Point 7 is controlled environment farming. Sometimes crops are grown in greenhouses where temperature, humidity, and light are controlled. This allows year round production regardless of climate. Environmental impact. However, heavy chemical use can cause soil degradation, water pollution, biodiversity loss, and even health risk if not managed properly. Benefits of intensive farming are higher yield. More food can be produced in a smaller amount of land. Efficient land use. Technology allows maximum production per acre. Economic gain. Larger harvest often means higher profit. Year round production. Controlled environment ensures continuous supply. Challenges of intensive farming: environmental damage, overuse of chemicals and water can harm soil and ecosystem. High cost, not all farmers can afford such intensive farming investments. Improper handling of pests, pesticides, and fertilizer can affect farmers' health and consumers' health. Therefore, intensive farming is powerful, productive, and essential for feeding growing population. But balancing productivity and sustainability is the real challenge of future of agriculture. To know more about methods, keep tuned with us. Finally, we will arrive at the best agriculture method and encourage all the farmers to adopt the same for doing purely natural farming. To know more about our farming methods, like, subscribe, and share our channel.